Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path, and I'm back to teach you how to install the Loopy Ladybug line. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut each piece individually, but this time I will cut close to the lines to help my future self lay out those pieces. I know it's hard to tell from this angle, but each piece has a guide to help with placement. Let me zoom in to show you. My two smaller lines will always be before or right after the black and white line. Start by placing two small pieces of blue tape around the middle of the black and white line. I will then peel away and cut a small part of the backing. Next, I can slowly lay down part of the image using my squeegee. From here, I can remove my blue pieces of tape. I'll slowly peel away a portion of the backing, placing it in one hand, using the squeegee to guide the line down, peeling away the backing as I go. I'm going to overlap a small portion of my blue line onto my black line for placement. From here, I will basically repeat the same steps of placing a piece of tape in the center, removing a portion of the backing, placing my image, and peeling away the backing as I go. Once I've placed my lines, I will then go back to layout and apply my additional items. And that's how you apply the Loopy Ladybug line.